Hi, and welcome back to some more lessons about learning how to read notes on the staff. Okay, today we're going to talk about these notes on the bass clef. Okay, so I just did a couple videos about treble clef notes, so I hope that you've watched those as well. But today we need to talk about reading notes on the bass clef. So remember, this is not the word bass, B-A-S-S, even though it looks like that. Bass is a fish. Anytime that we say the word bass in relation to music, it's bass, not bass, okay? So like bass guitar, bass drum, all of those, they're spelled B-A-S-S, right? So that word bass in music basically means anything that's really low sounding. Okay, so all of these notes are going to be found on the lower part of your piano. Okay, so let's focus on the space notes today. So when we're learning how to read notes on the staff, it's always really helpful for us to have as many tools as we can to learn them. So sometimes this is really helpful to kids. So I'm going to do this lesson with you today. Okay, so how can I use all cows eat grass to figure out what this note is? Okay, so which one is it? It's the top space. Yeah, so this is G, G. Okay, now where is G on the piano? Okay, so we have to relate everything we're doing today to middle C. Now remember, this is what middle C looks like if it's written on the bass clef and our left hand is supposed to play it. Okay, so is this note pretty close to middle C? It is pretty close to middle C. So when you are in middle C position, this note is your forefinger, okay? So find middle C, play middle C on your piano, and then go down 1, 2, 3 notes. There it is. That's G. Whoops. Okay. All right. Let's try another one. So I'm going to put this back up. What note is this? Okay. So this is our second space, right? So we've got all cows eat grass. So this is a C. Okay. Now let's see how this relates to what our middle C looks like. Is this near the middle C? No, it's pretty far away, isn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to play the C that is down below middle C. There it is. Okay, so find middle C and then play the C that is down below middle C. And that C is called bass C. I hope you'll watch my other video about using the word face to help with the treble clef notes. And we talk about treble C in that video. So knowing where all these C's are is actually really important because it's going to help you get around on the piano. All right, let's do another one. What note is this? Okay, let's see. So we have all cows eat. The bottom space is all, the second space is cows, the third space is eat. So this is an E, E. Okay, now what E is this? How does this E relate to that note? Is it pretty close to it? It's only a couple notes away, right? So this is right there, all right? So what I would suggest you do is find that bass C again, and then this E is just right above it, 2 notes above it. Okay, we have one more that we're going to look at right now, which I'm sure that if you've been paying close attention, it's the A, right? So this is all cows eat grass. Okay, so where is this A? It's low. It's down here. Okay, so what we want to do is first of all find this C again, that bass C that we talked about. And then we're going to go down 2 notes lower and play A. So as you can see, that A is not anywhere near middle C, is it? Okay, so we call this keyboard sense. A lot of times you guys struggle with that quite a bit for a long time. And you'll know that this is A, but maybe you think it's the one that's right next to middle C, but this is not near middle C. It's pretty far away. Okay, so let's go over all cows eat grass one more time. All cows eat grass. Okay, so this is a low note, right? This is what we call bass C. And then we're getting closer and closer to that middle C, right? Okay, there's one more note I want to share with you, which is this one. Okay, this is actually B. Now, you know what? There isn't a saying for this one. Poor B gets left off the cute little sayings that we have. So what we have to do is just look at it in comparison to the C, okay? So if we know that this is middle C, this note is right below it. So it's this B right here. So see if you can play C, B, C, B. All right? Okay. All right. There we go. So this is all about space notes on the bass clef. I'll see you next time.